how tiring is the entire process of promotions for you? And do you think how much do the promotions help a film as such? According
I think promotions are important. It definitely helps a film to talk about your film, especially a film like this, जहाँ पे we have to explain the concept. It is not a typical film, where I feel even our trailer was getting into a lot of the story, because it is important to prepare the audience कि यार ये कहानी कैसी है, because if you say time travel, people think कि यार ये device है and he's going like this. It is not that. If you say it's a simple love story, it is also not that. So I think it is important to promote a film like this where we've done something new and have a concept. And as far as the tiring part of the thing, this especially, maybe we are slightly more tired because of jet lag. अभी हम लोग ड्रीम टीम टूर करके आए हैं अमेरिका से, तो अमेरिका टाइम में हमें बहुत फर्क है. हम लोग परसों लैंड कर रहे थे रात को, और उसके बाद झलक पे थे, फिर यहाँ पे आए. So I'm still not understanding कि दिन है कि रात है, because our body clock is not functioning according to India time. So that is becoming a little tiresome. Otherwise, it's great to chat with you.
But do you think, like South, there will be a time in Bollywood as well where there will be no need to promote a film and just the trailer aa gaya and one event? And
I hope, man. I think if we have that kind of fan following, or people just, I think what is the good thing about South is I hope India or North of India gets that kind of culture of going to the cinema. वहाँ पे कुछ भी हो, फ्राइडे को कल्चर है कि आप पिक्चर देखने जाना है, वो बहुत अच्छा कल्चर. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, फुटफॉल्स कम हो रहे हैं, तो वी हैव टू रियली ड्रॉ देम इन कि आप प्लीज़ देखने आइए, पिक्चर अलग है, मज़ा आएगा. वहाँ पे वो कल्चर इतना एम्बेडेड है उसमें कि इट्स ईजी फॉर द एक्टर्स. वी होपिंग ऐसा बहुत किया जाए.
This year started with good, fantastic response and good reviews.
Yeah, definitely. Very optimistic about this film also. I think this year started with me doing a family drama in a newer, contemporary way. कुछ उसमें लोगों को अलग देखा, हमने कुछ लार्जर देन लाइफ या फिल्म नहीं किया उसमें. तो आई थिंक सिमिलर मैं कर रहा हूँ, जैसे रोमांटिक जॉनर में लव स्टोरी है, बट विच इज़ अगेन अ न्यू एज लव स्टोरी which has a nice concept to it. So if I pull off a family drama and a love story in 1 year, then I'm pretty happy and partying by the end of it.
The trailer reminded me lot about a movie called Click, and then about time, and then yes.
But I think the only thing common is that there is a time ka concept. Otherwise, if once you see the film, it has nothing in common with any of these films. Barring कि उसमें भी टाइम का कॉन्सेप्ट था, इसमें भी टाइम का कॉन्सेप्ट है. जब आप पिक्चर देखेंगे कोई सिमिलरिटी नहीं है, किसी से स्क्रीन प्ले चुराया नहीं गया. ये स्क्रीन प्ले श्री राव का है, जिसको नित्या ने अडेप्ट किया है. सो द सिमिलरिटी इज ओनली दैट इट्स टाइम जंपिंग, बट इट्स नॉट लाइक क्लिक हैड अ डिवाइस इन इट. आई थिंक अबाउट टाइम वाज सम फैमिली का थिंग, सो दैट इज आल्सो नॉट देयर.
देन इवन द टाइम ट्रैवलर्स वाइफ,
no, that is completely different. वो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. तो
but even in that the guy dies at the age of 45, and you're also somewhere.
Not at all. Also see the film, you don't understand. You'll understand what I'm trying to say. The only concept which is common is कि उसमें टाइम स्किपिंग था, यहाँ पे इसके टाइम स्किपिंग.
So the first time with Katrina Kaif, was it easy breaking the ice?
It was pretty easy as soon as we met. I think as actors, especially in love stories, it's very important to know your co-actor, because we're pretending to fall in love. और especially इस पिक्चर में तो not even fall in love, we were pretending to be in love since 8 years old. So you needed to have that familiarity, and Nitya and me and Katrina were aware of it. So we decided time before the shoot. We did workshops. पहले workshop में all I had to do is sit in front of her and stare into her eyes for 15 minutes, which was a great job to stare at Katrina again. And though she blinked first, she was distracted. तो उसी मस्ती में we started breaking the ice, and we started doing our scenes and roles and deciding क्या चल रहा है, क्या नहीं चल रहा है, क्या अच्छा होगा, क्या नहीं होगा. And I discovered that how hardworking Katrina is. I think one positive quality that she has that I can learn is she doesn't take her position for granted. She doesn't take her experience for granted. अगर वो गाना 50 hit song कर चुकी है, तो she'll again rehearse on this song as if it's her first track. Rehearsing for hours and getting that one step right and being in shape for it. Be it a scene that she wants to really rehearse, she'll focus on it. So I think that's a very commendable quality, and that's the reason that she is where she is, giving such great movies to all of us consistently.
Siddharth, everybody has been taken up by the Kala Chashma song and how fit and how fantastic Katrina is looking in that song.
Yeah.
Do you think so that is taking away from the performances and the concept of the film in any which way?
No, we actually wanted that. That's why we released Kala Chashma before. We thought that we have a great song with us. We have a very interesting video with us. And it was actually Karan's idea to release it first. Just to try it as a marketing strategy कि आप गाने क्यों रखते हैं पिक्चरों में, स्पेशली डांसिंग नंबर्स क्यों रखते हैं, क्योंकि लोग सुने, बात करें, लगाएं और पिक्चर के बारे में बात करें. तो वही हुआ. So we decided to release it before, so that hopefully people will pick up and people have. And I think once they see the film, they realize it's just in the end, it's not the film at all.
Siddharth,
It's much-
People are also.
how do you relate yourself with the character in real life?
I can relate a lot to Jay Verma. I think he represents a lot of the youth today, who all the youth is very obsessed by career-oriented goals. I want to make so and so money or be in this position, own a company, but nobody really plans at the age of early 20 that I want to have a family and settle down. Especially the boys. The boys want to run away from it. They want to make their money first. So he's just like that. He's a maths professor, and he's consumed by wanting to study abroad further and give lectures and become a bigger professor. And even though he has a girlfriend like Katrina or Dia, which bachpan se janta hai, and there's familiarity and there's love, he's still commitment phobic, which also I feel a lot of the youngsters are. And how then he goes on this journey to see the future of his love story, and उसमें से वो क्या सीखता है, कुछ change करता है कि नहीं करता है, does he come out as a changed man? I think there's something that all the youngsters will relate to. So,
Are you commitment phobic?
I have been. I think I would put myself in that category, because if not commitment phobic, because I've been focusing much more on my career in the last 8 years. I came to Mumbai to become an actor, and I felt कि वो ज़रूरी है एक tunnel vision, और मैंने left right नहीं देखा. पर इसके दौरान मेरे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त बनाए भी, पर ऐसा कोई स्पेशल पर्सन नहीं ध्यान नहीं दिया
So
मेरे
now-
कि बनना चाहिए. अब मुझे थोड़ी वैल्यू समझ आ रही थी. बैलेंस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो आई फील करियर अपनी जगह है. इफ यू आर वेरी सक्सेसफुल एंड हैव द मैक्सिमम अमाउंट ऑफ मनी इन द वर्ल्ड, बट इफ यू हैव नोबडी टू शेयर इट विद, it's not a complete wholesome life.
So now you are ready for
So I won't say ready. I feel I'm understanding the value of it. I'm still enjoying not having any responsibilities, and वो थोड़ा बचपना रहता है. So I like to keep it.
Now you do have someone to share.
Anyone is helping.
Where बार-बार देखो.
No, in your life.
In my life, wherever I am, I'm looking for. So I'm understanding the importance की balance बहुत जरूरी है. तुम लोग को सब समझ आएगा. तो 5 साल बाद हो जाएगा.
Where do you picture
We heard
yourself?
that you have a crush on Katrina.
Oh, okay. Am I being too excited?
Where do you picture yourself at the age of 35, 46 and 60?
35. 35 is very close. 4 years. Where do I picture myself? Doing better movies, producing movies, content that I want to produce, scripts that I would like to make, being involved in it as a producer, having a slight more balance in my life between professional and personal. Who knows? I think if I find the correct person, I would want to settle down and have a family.
By the age of 35
See, I can't say which age, but maybe in the near future.
and 46.
46 mein I would like to look like I'm looking in this 46 and get all the compliments that women are giving me, that they're liking that 46 ka look. Some of them are liking it much more than the 30 ka look, so I'm a little worried. अभी तक वहाँ तक क्या करूँगा 15 साल के लिए? I should start growing a beard or something.
And 60?
60 again, hopefully be working and be fit. I think that will be amazing to still have creative juices in your head and use it, utilizing it. I would hate to do nothing at 60 and sit at home. So hopefully working.
But is that a dilemma that actors in our industry face? When is the right time to marry? Because you have a huge fan following, your career is going very well. So will marriage hamper that? Or how do you look at it? How do actors, or how do you look at it in general?
I think not the generation that follows us. I think not our viewership. Our viewership is mainly younger people, younger generation, like-minded people. I think we don't feel that getting married to somebody is a hindrance, because we can disconnect. We can disconnect them within movies, because also पुराने ज़माने में actors used to play themselves. Every actor had their own style, and they used to have that jhalak in every film of theirs. Right now, if you see all actors, be it we don't try to play ourselves in the film. We try to play the character. For example, Ranbir and Barfi or Bajirao mein Ranbir mein, they've all played people very very away from their personalities, and those films have done really well. So I think then if the actor is married, not married, that's a secondary thing, because they're not playing themselves. So I don't think it will hamper any of our professional stardom or in that sense.
Siddharth, you mentioned about the South people religiously going to watch a film on
Yeah.
Friday.
Yeah.
But do you think they go to watch the film because over there the ticket rates are very subsidized as compared to Bollywood,
Yeah,
where
which is great, yeah.
the ticket rates on Friday, Saturday, Sunday are like 350 or 400 in multiplex. And do you think as an industry, the industry should take a stand to bring the cap on the ticket rates in Bollywood?
I think yes, definitely they should, because they're not realizing that it's hampering us. That कि लोग इतनी टिकट इतनी महंगी हो रही है कि families नहीं जा रही है because they have to budget themselves, which is very sad. Also, I think our taxes here are different. So even the government has to meet us halfway through, and collaboratively our industry has to come together and put a cap on the pricing. So that will definitely help us as a whole to get more people to the cinema, which I feel will happen very soon because we are all realizing the importance of getting people back to theatres.
So speaking about your contemporary actors, you are the one who's getting every movie good music. So you feel you're lucky.
I feel I've been lucky this year with Badshah. Badshah we had 2 hit songs, Chul and This, and वहाँ पे वो जब भी कोई we had taken all his songs. कहते तुम सारे songs सारे गानों पे perform कर रहे हो, मैं rap क्या करूँगा? So in his performance he was rapping some of his old songs, and sometimes we used to always trouble him by jumping in his raps. हम suddenly backstage से stage पे आते थे उसके साथ वो काला चश्मा कर रहा है, भी dance कर रहा हूँ. So yeah, I think I've been pretty lucky, all thanks to him and my Judy's work this year. Hopefully we'll have many more party songs next year also.
So you're doing movies, with Dharma back to back.
Yeah.
So is there any other production you're working with?
Yeah, I think all these films have been Dharma co-production of some reason or the other. Excel, this is an Excel script. The next one that I'm doing is Fox action film, is only a Fox film.
Okay.
In the past also, be it Hasi to Pasi was a Phantom film, Ekran was a Balaji film. So I think recently maybe back-to-back two films have happened. But yeah, I think these are not films that I've been forced up to. I think these are nicest scripts that I chose. And everybody wants to work with Dharma, and we're all Dharma talent after all. So we're very happy to be associated.
Siddharth, you just come back from Dream Team tour. So how was your experience?
Very good. Yeah. I think that was one of the very fulfilling experiences as an actor to see in our early stages. To see the crowd, there was some 10,000, 12,000 people who come to see you perform live, and 6 cities in 2 weeks, and एक जो roar मिलता है, जो एक आवाज़ आती है, वो genuine है वहाँ पे, and people have enjoyed our music, enjoyed our films, and want to see us. I think that longing is amazing. So it was a complete high. I think we were not sleeping, we were just feeding off their screens and love, and just without any chemicals we were intoxicated and enjoying ourselves on stage. पहले शो में मैं सिर्फ unzip करता था jacket, second show में पूरी jacket उतारता था. So that much excitement was there. I was dancing barefoot. So it was super.
So you're taking it very forward. Karan Johar in one of the interviews said that the trend of doing world tour was started by Shah Rukh Khan, which is one of the major reasons of.
No, I think actually Amitabh Bachchan ji.
So he said that Shah Rukh Khan got a worldwide popularity because of the world tours he did, and you guys are also going on the right track by Dream Tour is the starting point of exploring the world, getting the worldwide audience to you. So do you agree to that? And
I do agree. I think
that world tour
this interaction did make us realize that how there is such a vast audience who wants to see you. And once they see you in person, you can add to your say impression, your aura, your stardom. But because once they see you, there's something that they like, something they like on stage. So maybe now they know you in person, they feel they're more connected to you. They want to go to see your films. Maybe if they've not seen your previous films, or maybe they missed one film. I think it definitely helps to make that bond much stronger because they're so far off, and it's very difficult for them to always come and see us in Mumbai. So I think it's a good start for all of us. We all realize that. Even I think Karan Johar also enjoyed it himself, even though he doesn't need it, but he was just killing it on stage and performing on all his tracks. He has the best music in the industry. So yeah, I think that relationship will only grow bigger and better when we go back next. So hoping for that.
You share your desire to produce a film.
She has a question.
Yes, ma'am.
You put a lot of hard work and money in making a film, but then a clash happens unexpectedly. So don't you think that business gets hampered somewhere?
But I feel we have enough cinema theatres to have. It's not in our control. It's like it's been happening for years. As an audience, you have always. It's good as an audience. You should have 2-3 options. There's not एक ही picture देखने जाना. I think it should be left to the audience, and even if there's one film playing, they will only buy that ticket because they want to see it. They will not buy it because there are 2 films and एक की नहीं मिली दूसरे में चले जाएंगे. I think that happens very rarely. So that is
some sort of cold war happening between the film, because obviously
between our film and something you're saying.
no, the 2 films which clash.
yours and Freakier.
अच्छा आज Freaky है. अच्छा some Cold War clashes happening. No, I've seen the trailer. And I think it's very interesting. So best of luck to all the films that come out. I think good films will survive. That's what we saw with say my film Kapoor and Sons also. I think the start के बाद धीरे-धीरे kept going on. So nobody can stop a good film. So yeah, and Freaky looks very interesting.
Siddharth, you
Siddharth.
shared your desire to produce a film. What about direction? Because you have
Yeah,
been an
मैं
assistant
थोड़ा
director.
कीड़ा तो है, but right now I think I keep it to acting only. As and when we keep going forward, have some experience and have a story that I want to tell, maybe I'll go behind the camera. But so far I'm very happy getting all the attention in front of the camera.
So when you met at Brothers Time, you said that you were very keen to work with senior actors and you liked, all those movies you had seen in the past and everything. That didn't work or whatever it happened. In future you are looking out for something,
In the future, yes, I would still love to work with Akshay Kumar. I think it was an amazing experience to work with him. He's a superbly fun guy. We still have an amazing rapport and rishta. I go to him for just sometimes we go and work out and faffing around. So definitely, I think that one film not doing well or not being accepted the way we want to doesn't really scar us for life. कि वैसा नहीं करेंगे. So it's always I've always had people. I've always had ensemble films. I've always had other characters in my movies. I've picked characters more than looking at politically. I've picked stories more than that. So if there is a story where there is a requirement for any other actor like that, I'll be always there for
it
it.
was
Siddharth,
any Khan's film with Shah Rukh, Salman.
If there is a film, exactly, there's a story that I feel like I would want to tell and play a character in that. I would
Siddharth,
they दोनों एक साथ हैं.
Ask.
What was it like being a marriage professor? Like, did you have to do certain things to get it right? Because
No, luckily I was told what to say. I was just rectifying and narrating it on stage. I was very bad in mathematics.
no, but like certain mannerisms or in terms of your body language.
For a maths professor, no. I think that still I could relate to. We've all been in school and seen our professors. What was difficult was to play 46 and beyond. I was playing 3 generations. So I started observing my elder brother and my father. कि क्या होता है उस एज में, and they thought I was cracked. कि ज़्यादा activity question मत कर, मैं भाई told me instead of it's like, because he thought that I'm making him much older than he is. I said, but you're very close to me. I want to see how you would behave at this age. So I've done that. I think it was tricky in the film. I'm playing 46, but in my head I'm 30 because I've skipped time. So it was very interesting to play. It was very interesting to, as an actor, be aged prosthetically. 5 घंटे लगते थे उस prosthetic makeup में, जो लड़के hot कह रही हैं, फिर मैं ऐसे hot हो जाता था बैठे and then shoot for 8 hours. फिर उसके बाद भी we have another phase where I've aged further. So I think at such an early age to change your face and in a very real way. It's not like an old school thing कि बाल सफ़ेद किया होगा. So I think it's again a unique thing to show Indian cinema, show Indian cinema, and hopefully people will like it.
Siddharth, could you?
Your films have given us some good dancing numbers.
Yes, this year I've been lucky. Yes.
Yeah, except Ek Tha Villain, I guess. Had it not
और even brothers and have actually कुछ पिक्चरें ऐसी थी.
Yeah, but Chul and
Yeah.
Kala Chashma and Punjabi wedding.
Correct. Yes. That's
So had
nice.
it not been for acting and are you a dancing person like that?
I might ask. I've started enjoying dancing much more now. I feel because maybe because I was never exposed to that aspect of filmmaking. बचपन में कभी ऐसा किसी ने मेरे को पार्टी फेंका नहीं कि नाच ले बेटा, तो वो प्रैक्टिस नहीं थी. Now I've come to terms with it and enjoying it much more. And all thanks to Bacha, because I've used 2 of his songs this year, which have both become very hit. And yeah, I'm enjoying it. Hopefully this won't end and this streak will go on for the next film also.
Siddharth, a movie that made you a household name. The sequel has been announced student of the year to Tiger is Playing the Lead. How do you see?
Movie gave us everything, yeah, not even a household name. Yeah, Student of the Year is a film that we will always remember and cherish. And it's great that they're making a sequel. I don't know the story. I just know Puneet Malhotra is making it. I know him personally. Tiger is the lead. And I tweeted about it, and it's great. Dharma will have more power, huh? Who are the girls?
Charlie and Sarah.
Are they the girls? I have no clue.
Then how is it shooting with Jacqueline for
Isn't it?
It's not
Jacqueline
bang,
for,
bang.
yeah. We don't have a title. We have 2 directors, we have no title, which is very unfair. And we halfway through shot the film, and I'm going to go into an action schedule right now. Shoot with the directors, and by the end of the year we should finish that film. Looking forward to it again. It's an action film done with some quirky humor, जैसे राजन जी के हमेशा करते हैं. And it's got again 2 looks and 2 phases, so it's got a scope for acting. So nice. I'm pretty excited about that film. I'm very happy how it's turning out.
Siddharth, you're doing Ittifaq remake after this, and Ittifaq, the original film, was made on a very small budget inside a house.
You've seen it?
Yeah, I've seen it.
You've seen it, then?
Yes. So it was made on a very small budget. So what different can we expect?
There was one set and one Raat and
inside
songless
one
film.
house. Yeah.
The first songless film by Yash Chopra.
Yeah. So how different will this film be when
This
you
is
start
very
with
different. We are adapting it. We are adapting it and changing the twist, of course, because अगर murder mystery का आपको twist पता है तो फिर कोई फायदा नहीं है. But B.R. Chopra's grandson is making it, Abhay Chopra, which is great. He has some emotional connect with the film. And I feel we're also reviving a genre which is dead. Nobody's making murder mysteries anymore. You don't see films ki khuni kaun hai. So that is coming back after many I think years that you make a big film which is about murder mystery. So really looking forward to start that film.
When
It's
you
again,
start?
I start next year as soon as I finish this film. It's again about one night. And it's got me and Sonakshi so far, but we're not romantically involved.
Yeah.
We both are suspects actually, so it'll be very interesting to play with.